going to start with some liquid clear. I've got some phthalo blue here and a little bit of purple. So I'm going to dab into this, a little bit of purple and some phthalo blue. So I'm going to put this all over the canvas. Well, it's not a canvas, is it? It's a bit of wood. All that blue on there. A little bit of white. And we'll just lighten up the sky. Let's see how this works out. Oh yeah, it's working nice. Nice little sky there. Just brighten up that little bit here first. We'll just have a little bright spot there with where this moon's going to be. So we'll just put a little moon there. Just going to go into some black and blue, whatever's on there really. We've got some trees on up here. So we're just doing a little tiny row of trees there. Just dab these off. And take a fan brush here, go into some white paint. And I'm going to do some water here. Pull this down here. So I'm painting on wood, it feels so different. There's no little bumps and that to catch the paint. So it's basically a smooth surface. And we're going to go across here. And we'll just make that sort of watery there. Just pull some of these reflections in the water. Just pull along here. So I can just put quite a bit here. Scratch that in. One there. And we can put these on. Just there. And again we'll make a little water line. Pull down here and we're going to see some nice reflections in the water of these trees. Just there. And we're just going to very lightly bring them over. And we'll just make up a nice little, maybe there's a rock there. I don't know. And I want a rock here because I want this to be the centre of what's going on here. Maybe a little rock there. So there we can fill all this in, all in black. I'm going to do some little grassy areas, just flick up here and there. Down it comes. Tell you what, we could have some sort of downy ones tonight. Don't always have to go up. We'll just put some in here and there. Could have one that goes sort of down and then up there. We'll just put all these in. So that'll be the tail, and then we can bring the body up like this. And then we'll have that sort of little belly that goes out. So let's do the legs coming forward like this. So yeah, look at that guys, it's quite nice, isn't it? It's quite shiny obviously because it's soaking wet, but yeah, one that goes, whoa, just pull this little thing up. There it is. Maybe it breaks off and goes a little bit over there, up here. Something like this. I want to get this as straight as possible. We're going to just brighten up the water tonight on this one. Get a bit of a sheeny feel to that. Something like that, I think. Let's take a little tiny brush. I suppose we can use this black one here. Just neaten up some of them. Darkness in the water while we're here. Something like that. With a palette knife on here. I have to do it a little bit different. It doesn't take like the canvas. It's really, really different. But I'm managing it, guys. I'm managing it. Just a little bit here and there. Let's mist it out. That doesn't look too bad. Remember, I'm painting on wood. A little mist out here. We'll just flick up a few little trees. Just some little shapes and that. Maybe we'll have a rock here, and that's where our little wolf is going to sit. Sort of rocks here. We'll just blast all that off there. Goes there. Get their sort of legs in. Say about here. We'll do it. That gives me the height. And then little head, little snout coming out here. And up. And some little ear. Tiny. And he's got a bum. Make that bit there. He's just having a little look down the river. They sort of come out, don't they, a little bit, sort of like that, and then sort of towards. I can alter the rocks. I can bring the rock up if these legs look too long, but I can just bring them down. We'll do another one, sort of that goes off there. Give him a bushy tail. Just do some, we'll do some more little sort of down ones here. See, we're getting some green on here. Some little bunches of something. But dark green. And look, guys, these are hang straight up. So yeah, they're quite nice. Oh, it's so different. Listen to the sound of that. Blend this out. This blends extremely well being on wood. Over here. Got a nice bright spot in the middle and just a nice little sky happening right just there. Grassy things on here. There. A big one that's there. Delicate little things. A little head there, and a little neck that comes down here. And then that'll be his little bum. This will be his body. And then I'll do the head. A couple of legs come about here, and then go off, and then that way. we'll see a bit of reflection here. Right, good night everyone, that's me done. Thanks for watching, I hope you enjoyed it, and I'll see you in the next live. Don't forget to go and have a little mooch at the website, and please do leave a comment on one of my videos that I've recently posted. Yeah. Good night all, take care, bye bye.